Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to configure and set up Wi-Fi router for seamless internet connectivity at home. Guys, I have a D-Link DIR600M Wi-Fi router. I am going to configure it. Let's do it. Plug in the router and power it on. Now take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to your computer or laptop and the other end to one of the LAN port on the router. Now I will open the browser and type in the router's default IP address, which is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, but in my case this is 192.168.100.1. For now I will click on next and it will ask for admin password. Some router doesn't have default Wi-Fi router password, so first of all I will set admin password. Now we will configure basic Wi-Fi setting. I will keep BITS-ITBuddy. Mode will be default, channel will be auto, bandwidth will be auto, PPA PSK, VPA to PSK, reset key admin 123, then apply. Don't forget to click save or apply to save the configuration changes. Now disconnect the Ethernet cable and test your Wi-Fi connection on your device to ensure everything is working smooth. Next video we will see how to connect one router to another router using repeater mode. That's it. We have successfully configured D-Link Wi-Fi router for home use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials.